Let's start with the first round. Truth or dare?
Ooh. Are we doing it? What's the most trouble you've been in?
I got caught by the cops trying to break into my own home. Let me explain. Okay, I was drunk. I was in my early 20s. I could not find my keys in my bag. So we live on top of a hill. There's like a two-story gate, a two-story iron gate. So drunk me thought I could climb it. So I climbed above the two-story iron gate.
And I thought you was trying to flock your own home or what?
Yeah, I was like, when they came over, I'm like, hell no, this is my fucking home, homie. Like, I can't find the keys. And they couldn't get me down because I was already on top of the iron gate. I was so close to the top and we started arguing because I was drunk. Until my uncle heard me from on top of the hill and ran down in his underwear.